Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now in order to build these, all right, you need to start learning. See, do we have all these components? Let's check.
This one we have.
Okay.
This one we have two.
Okay, right and left wing.
This one we also have.
Smiling bumper.
We have two.
Z brackets 2.
What's this?
Q mind here. This is the
Oh,
Q
yeah.
mind.
The tire.
Tires
Already have.
and wheels.
Ball caster.
Ball caster.
This one.
No. Where's the ball caster?
Where?
I think this is the ball caster.
I think this one.
Yeah, maybe. It looks different in the picture. Okay, then
Motor we have two.
2 motors.
Screwdriver we have.
Wrench.
we have.
Mm-hmm.
Screw. This one we have.
M4 42 mm. Yes.
Yeah.
M4 9 mm.
Yeah. 9.
Yeah. M3 25. Nut M3. Screw
This one
M2.
is here. This one.
Okay.
This
RJ11
one
cable.
is this.
Okay.
This one. This.
2 cables. RJ11. These are the cables.
Oh, yeah.
RJ11 cables. USB cable. Ultrasonic sensor.
Yeah, we have here.
Okay.
We also
Line
have
follower.
black
like
tape.
tape
We have
And
manual.
user manual. Alright, awesome. So
Okay.
now we can start. So first we have to assemble the Q-Scout. Need to get 1 bracket and 1 this.
And the eyes.
And M4, what is 9? M4 9. Is it 9?
Yeah, it is 9.
Okay.
And the screw.
2 screws.
Must be this one.
Yes, that one. Okay. So these one will go in. So what we need to do is take
There are
them.
3. 3 holes.
We are using only 2. See? Only 2. So take 2 out.
So I think we just need to go inside.
Yes, and then
it will be like this.
okay, then get the screwdriver out. How do you help our screwdriver? Give him
Screwdriver here. Okay.
the Q-Scout robot, which they will program later and
I want to do one.
play with it.
I want to do one.
Let Hadi do one, Arish.
Okay.
Make sure don't slip the screws, okay? This is this. This was first.
Mm-hmm.
The second bracket will go on which thing?
We
Check.
need this. And it is this one.
Is this
And
the line
we need
sensor,
this
right?
one. And 2 more screws again.
Okay, take out, not these ones, here,
Okay.
these ones. Make sure they will go in the middle holes.
Middle, here.
Yeah, in the middle hole.
Did we hit enough?
Maybe?
Okay.
It's done?
Mm-hmm.
This is the second part
Now
here.
third one we need one this. And the eyes.
Mhm.
And then we need this mouth. And this.
Also 2 screws, the same ones, M2. Looks like.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, do it. The big guy.
The eyes. But it will be like this.
Yeah, but
the eyes need
but
to be in
this
here.
one also will come.
The eyes will be here.
Yeah, and another part, Hadi, the smiling face, it will be under
Under.
with this one, the line follower, the line following tool,
Will be under here.
like this. Yeah, like this.
Okay, the screw. Is it working?
Yes, good job.
Then Ashton help me.
Okay, Irish, you hold, let him do it. Got it? All right.
That's
More?
also cute.
Next, what is next?
Okay, next. I like this one. I want to.
We need to connect the cable.
Oh, it's this one.
This cable, yes.
You to connect here.
Yeah, it will click. Good. One will go here, 1 and 2. So we need to see which one will go to 1 and which one will go to 2.
1, 2, 3.
And there are 4
Wait,
ports.
this one will go to the one.
So these are 4 ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ports. We need to find which goes where. So first let's try to fit this, okay? Where will this fit?
3, 4. There's 3, 4.
Like this. And battery compartment. Do we need to add batteries first?
Yeah, we need to first put the battery.
One moment. Let's first find out how does it work actually. What is this? This is the battery compartment or what? Ah, we need to, okay, we can take it out and enter the batteries later, so it's not a big deal. Alright, this is, see, it will fit like this. Okay, so where will the battery compartment be? They all will be on top, right? Like this, is it? See? Okay, then put the mind. Okay, where are the long screws?
I do too.
Yes, you will. Hold on. Okay, wait. You hold. How do you put the screws in? Come.
Wait a second.
We can do it this way. See, one by one. Everything goes one by one like this. Okay, and then this screw. Come on, put it. So next you will hold it, and Hadi will put the screws. Okay. Do not tighten the screw now. Do not tighten it. Keep it loose because you need to put 4 in and then tighten them.
Now you hold. I do too. You do too. Oh.
How do you do front side? Okay.
Tighten.
Another one. Okay, this one will come here. I think. I believe this belongs to here, right?
3 or 4.
3. It says, see, it goes to the 3. All right. Like this. Yeah, it is like this. The wheels are on the front, not on the back. It is like this. Back side will be this. A ball roller type of thing. Okay, so, sir, put the screws like this. 1 motor, 2 motor, and should be these screws M3, 25 millimeter. Okay, good. Later you will use the wrench to do it. Okay.
The wrench cannot do it.
Can. First put another one.
Not now, the wheel.
Wheel later, Hadi.
Okay.
See, it can. Oh, don't drop it.
I didn't. Master.
Here's the wrench. Hadi will hold the wrench. Hadi will tighten it. Arish will tighten it. Okay.
Hold
So
it.
Hadi will hold it there. Yes, just like this, Hadi.
Hold it.
No, it's the wrong side, I think. Let me see. This is the small. Come, Hadi, hold here. Hold the wrench here. Yes, very good. Do not over tighten. Okay, got it?
Okay.
All right, now let's connect the cables at the back side. M1 and M2. Make sure the right polarity. Thank you.
This color is matching this one.
Wait, it will go only one way in, remember.
Like this.
Yes, so don't force it the other way in. How do you turn it around? Yes, this way. This is connected. Now we need to add the wings.
Wing. Here.
Wings will come with the M29. Where are those M29s? Where are M29s? Yeah, those ones. Take out. Almost done, almost done.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we don't have new batteries, but these should have enough voltage, right?
I think so.
Alright,
Uh-oh.
let's put it in. Good. Alright, and connect it to the robot back here. Okay, do not turn on now. No, don't turn it on now. Now let's say the batteries are in. Now what do we need? We need to put the rear wheel. It's okay, be patient with him, okay? He's younger than you. You should guide him nicely.
It's going okay. Here.
I think these are the... It's wrong way, Hadi. The other way, yes. Wait. You shouldn't tighten it, Arish, first. Remember one thing, okay? In these kind of things, first put one... Come, Hadi. Tighten it. Then once both are aligned, then you can tighten. Good job. Now you Arish, tighten this one. Awesome. And 2. Here you go, sir. And rest I will put in this.
How to do it? I know. How to do it? It's not like this. Like this?
Yeah. Is it working? The robot is almost ready. Which one? Number 1 maybe? Number 1. Okay, and going down from here to the line sensor. Good. And let's adjust. How about we bring the cable from here? From behind the wing. In here and here. So it's very neat now, right? The robot is ready. Now we need to download the
I'll take my phone.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.